Are you ready for this limited time offering? FireAlarm.com is able to provide you with full and complete maintenance on your fire alarm system for our lowest price available. What's going on, everyone? Stefan here from FireAlarm.com. FireAlarm.com will clean each and every single one of your devices, provide you with completed by law logbooks, and test every aspect of your fire alarm system as per all local laws having jurisdiction and national codes. FireAlarm.com can assuredly guarantee that we beat out all other companies and competitors in terms of pricing, experience, and service. No one can beat the quality and integrity of our professional team. Our expert technicians provide maintenance services for fire, life safety, and security equipment in order to ensure that your systems work when necessary and function at their optimum level, preventing breakdowns in the network, which protects lives, assets, and time. We offer a choice of a standard service agreement or a custom-tailored agreement designed to meet your specific needs and requirements with no contract required. Call us now at 888-497-0290 and speak to one of our engineers or sales representatives for a list of options and special pricing. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit like below and subscribe to our channel for the latest on all things fire alarm, as well as future FireAlarm.com updates. Also, don't forget to follow us on social media for more information on our products, fire safety facts, and so much more.